What have you been doing?
I've been here like 4 times.
Okay.
We just haven't recorded anything because you've been too busy outside in the backyard smashing shit with swords and hammers. Mostly fruit.
So what you're telling me is it's your fault.
That's what you generally turn it into, yes.
And you've been avoiding doing the podcast.
I've been all right, he's wrong for one. He's not right. I haven't been avoiding anything. All right. The only thing I've been doing on my days off is fishing. All right.
And you haven't caught a single fish.
You didn't catch one either.
I caught like 3 fish when we went. I went one time for like 5 hours. While we had a little girl bitching
for like
in the
5 hours.
In the background, we had a little girl bitching about, I want to go home. I was only planning on being here for like 2 hours. You know exactly who I'm talking about, Jacob.
Well, you caught 1 fish on your pole, but you did not reel it in. Jamie did. Your maid.
And I caught a couple bluegill.
You did not catch a couple bluegill.
Yeah, I did. And that's why you were getting mad.
Remember
when I was like, hey, Brandon, look at this? And you're like, all right. And then you go over to, the fucking tackle box and you start ripping shit out of the tackle box. You're like, I was going to catch this fish before we go home because you were so butthurt.
All right. Here's the issue, though. All right. I was wearing sunglasses.
That said real tree fishing on them. He was
hat.
fully studded up. Yeah, he was fully laced up with all the fishing gear that you can get from Walmart.
Now, here's the secret. All right, you guys at home may not know this. All right, your Uncle Brandon's about to let you in on something. If you wear a hat and sunglasses, all right, hold on, let me. Secret. All right. Look around you before I say this. Make sure there's nobody around you else that can hear it. All right. If you wear a hat and sunglasses, that's an extra 10% every time you cast the pole to catch fish, automatically, right off the bat. All right. If you wear a shirt that's called a swimming shirt that has a place for you to hook stuff onto, there's an extra 5% at least. All right. On a Monday, it might be 7%. Anyway, that's an extra 17% right there. Bam. Right off the bat. Just from wearing the right attire.
Whatever sales associate was telling you this shit, they were a very good salesman. That's all I got to say.
No, it's me. I do this. I run it up, all right? I'm the one who sells stuff, all right? If you wear boots that are not name brand, especially if they're boot shoes, that's an extra 10% to catch fish every time you cast. All right, we're up to 25.
I'm about
27%.
Sick and tired of listening to this dumb shit that's just coming out of your mouth.
No, we're up to like 27% here. All right. Now, unfortunately, I don't have the off-brand boots, so maybe that's why I didn't catch one. All right. And apparently, if you dye your hair blonde, that stupid fucking color, you got an extra 75% to catch fish because it worked for you. I don't know. That's just me.
I'm being harassed, and I don't like it. So we're going to change this.
You haven't seen harassed yet, boy.
I feel very attacked right now, and I don't like it.
Well, the point is, Brian sucks at fishing.